Today, we are gonna be touring a really large single-story home with an RV garage and a NextGen suite here in the northwest side of Las Vegas, so don't go anywhere. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Bella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on buying, moving, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor, guys. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Today is June 12, 2025, and today we're here at the Estates by Lennar here in the northwest side of Las Vegas. Now, the nearest cross streets is going to be Ann and Fort Apache, so we're about 30 minutes away from the Las Vegas airport and the Strip. Great quiet area, you guys. Now, if you're looking for a large single family home on a large lot, this area is great. A lot of new construction communities, they're known for here in Vegas, they're known for being on small lots, but if you want something a little bit larger, this would definitely be the way to go. Before I have the floor plans real quick, the Estates community has 3 different communities within the Estates. Okay, they offer the same floor plans. The prices are pretty much the same. It's just different locations. I will have the photo on the screen for you guys. They have their Ann community, which is going to have more homes, and then they have the Washburn and El Capitan. Okay, but again, all the prices, all the floor plans are going to be the same. But yeah, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you now. So they offer 3 different floor plans here, guys. These are large single-story homes, all with RV garages, all that have NextGen suites in them. Okay, now these floor plans are going to range from about 3,932 square feet to about 4,240 square feet. Okay, now the prices here are going to range out the door. They're going to be about 1.12 million to about 1.35. Okay, and with Lennar, what they do is these are like spec homes, right? So normally they pick out all the options. They have available inventory homes, which on those ones you could get the best deals, and then they'll have ones that close within 2 to 3 to 4 months. Okay, if you're looking to pick out some of your options, then you probably want to go with a lot that's going to be built in like 5 months. But the con to that is you won't get as good of a deal as opposed to if you're buying one that's move-in ready. Okay, as far as the HOA here is only $95 a month. It's not a gated community, guys. Yeah, no, that's about it. Let's get started with the tour. Welcome everyone to the Leighton floor plan. Now the Leighton floor plan is 3,932 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bath, single story, and it does include an RV garage as well as a NextGen suite. As far as the exterior goes, the desert landscaping is included, as well as the paver driveway. Okay, now the backyard is going to be a dirt lot, so you have about a year, I think 6 months to a year to landscape your backyard. Okay, now I don't have access to the RV garage, but as you can assume, it has space for an RV, or you could park like 4 cars in there. Okay, and then the inside of the garage is going to come finished. It does have a water softener loop. You also have a pre-wire for an electric vehicle charger. All right, so this is welcome to the entry door. So to the right here, this is going to be access to the RV garage. Okay, now this is going to be the NextGen suite door. Now again, if you're not familiar with what a NextGen suite is, it's a separate living area that's inside the house. So it's great for if you're living with in-laws, family members, or if you have guests staying with you, or if you choose to rent out the NextGen suite, it gives them that little like separate living area, and it includes like they'll have their own living room, they have their bedroom, their bath, washer and dryer, half kitchen. So, definitely giving them some more privacy. Okay, guys, so we're going to enter the entry door. So welcome in. I know it's hard to tell on video, but you do have 10-foot ceilings. So in person, it does feel more spacious than it looks like in video, my opinion. Okay. Now, the way this floor plan is designed is you're gonna have like your living room, kitchen, all of that over here, and all of the bedrooms, including the NextGen suite, are going to be to your left. Okay, so actually we'll start out over here, but I just want to, before we do that, I just want to show you guys the laundry room. Okay, so this is the laundry room. So you do have cabinets, you have a sink, which is great. Washer and dryer. Okay, so typically the washer and dryer isn't included, but again, you know, if you're going with a quick move-in ready home, we could definitely get them to add that in there. Okay. So that's where all your air filters are. You also have fire sprinklers right there. There's going to be transfer grills to help regulate the airflow in the house. Prevents the doors from slamming if the window is shut. Okay, so this is going to be the primary bedroom. This is going to be your powder room right here. This is going to be what the guests will use. Okay, you also have a coat closet right here. All right. So you know what? We're going to start all the way down there to the NextGen suite, okay? Cool. So you have your own like separate living area right here, which is cool. Got like, setup is nice. You have like two desks over there. You know, great space if you work from home. Okay guys, so the NextGen suite door is going to be right here. So as soon as you get into your NextGen suite, again, NextGen suite, you have your own living room area, and then you have your half kitchen. So refrigerator, microwave, sink, cabinets, okay, soft close cabinets. We got some backsplash over there. Again, that's the door that's going to lead to the kind of by the entry door, as we saw earlier. Now this is the bedroom here in the NextGen suite. Okay, plenty of space. You have this nice large window. And then here you're gonna have the bath. So you do have a single sink, a walk-in shower. Okay, you also have your toilet room right there. This is I feel like this is a little low because I'm 6 feet and I feel like my head would I'd have to go under this bar a little bit. All right. So this is going to be your walk-in closet. Now you do have a stacked washer and dryer that is included with the house as well. Okay. This is the texture. So, you know, there's a nice little texture here. You're going to get the flat corner edging, as well as I believe the baseboards are going to be about well, I'll say here they look like about 3.5-inch baseboards. Again, for all the bathrooms, this is going to be the countertop. I think they're using for all spec homes, as well as the sink, the faucet. Now, the only things that are going to be different compared to the model home versus the actual spec homes is I think the same level upgrades are going to be used, but the options are going to be different. So the flooring could be different, the cabinet colors, and then the countertop in the kitchen. So this is one guest bedroom. Oh, and this is really spacious for a guest bedroom here. So it looks like every bedroom is going to have their own bath. I think 2 of the bedrooms are going to have a Jack and Jill bath. So that means it's going to share a bathroom. Okay. So no walk-in closet, but you know, this whole closet takes up like the whole side of the wall. Just remember, you can your spec home, it's gonna have this. You can switch that out for a ceiling fan light. But yeah, guys, if you are watching this video, I say this every video, but it's really, really important, guys. If you're thinking about visiting a community for your very first time, you know, definitely give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit. Now, if you're working with a realtor, that's fine too. Just make sure your realtor goes with you on your very first visit. Just do not go by yourself, guys, because the second you go by yourself, builder agent's gonna ask for your name, your phone number, and email. And once you give that to them and have no agent representing you at that time, it's gonna be really hard to get yourself some representation. Now, the reason that's important is because the builder agents look after the builder's best interest, and we look after your best interest. Okay, so definitely important to get yourself some representation. Okay, so this one has a walk-in closet. Okay, this is the Jack and Jill bath. So you will have the dual sinks. Okay. Right here, you're gonna have a door for the toilet as well as the shower tub. Okay, fiberglass, easy, very easy to clean. Just remember, when you're looking at these baths, there's no, like, what you see is kind of like what you get. This is the configuration that you'll get. There's no customizing. If you want like a walk-in shower or a shower tub. Okay, so this is the other bedroom. Okay, walk-in closet. All right, time to take you to the primary bedroom. So it looks like you're gonna have a double doors right here. I really love the look of these large tiles, for sure. I think I want that if the next time I move. Definitely like that look. Okay, so really spacious in here. Okay, you also have like 4 can lights up there. You have a pre-wired the ceiling fan. Okay, every room is going to come with a smoke detector. I believe the hallways are going to have the smoke / CO2 detectors. Got plenty of fire sprinklers here as well. Okay, you got 2 large windows, allowing for a lot of natural light to come in. Yeah, these lots are going to have pretty large backyards. Hey guys, if you're looking for especially like a single story, but you want it to be on a really large lot, most new build communities in Vegas don't have really large lots. You just have to know where to look. So this part of North Las Vegas, you know, I would say you're gonna get the most bang for your buck as far as the size of the home and the lot. Okay, so welcome to the primary bath. Beautiful walk-in shower, tile surround. Okay, you have your separate tub right here. Okay, dual sinks. So you have your toilet room. And then you have your large walk-in closet. All right. So let's take a look at the kitchen, the living room. Welcome to the main living space. Feels very spacious. Guys, again, it's hard to tell on video, but the 10-foot ceilings makes it feel really open in here. Oh, this is a really large couch right here. So you're gonna have this nice slider, stackable slider. You have that window over there to allow for some natural light. Okay, again, massive lot. You know, I'm pretty sure most buyers in this community are gonna put pools in their backyard. Beautiful kitchen. Look at all those cabinets. Okay, you got the dark cabinets. Okay, you got the waterfall island. Now the kitchen appliance package, you're gonna have the monogram kitchen appliance package. So that refrigerator that you see is included, as well as this monogram oven stovetop and the hood. Beautiful cabinets. I really like dark cabinets. Soft close. Okay. Have really beautiful backsplash. Not too sure what backsplashes they're going to use for the spec homes, but I'm sure it's going to look really nice. You got the stainless steel undermount sink. Okay. This is a mirror sink. You got the Moen faucet. This thing comes out like that. Okay. You got garbage disposal down there. This is the monogram dishwasher. Okay, and this is going to be your door to your RV garage, but it is locked, I'm assuming. Yes. All right, guys. So that wraps it up for the Leighton floor plan. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Again, if you have any questions, curious to know what the incentives are, or if you're just looking for a new construction expert to help you out with the helping you find a new construction home, well, reach out to me, guys. But thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I'll catch you on the next one.